I say Ginger, the boy always a talk about money, you know. That means say half full of money, you know, Ginger. Oh, Jesus.
He must have full of money, yes.
Half full of money. And me Platinum, I forget some of the money there.
Yes, you.
Right,
yes,
Ginger?
yes.
Of course.
So what we are gonna do, boy, I know. You are gonna call him over or what?
Yeah, I'm making him come look for me. He went to me saying, "Want come look for me," so I'm making him come look for me. Yeah, so I'm just wait for him if he call me.
We have to go set up and, you know, you go tell him about what you want and no want.
Because we find out if we get money from him, I don't know. Right, till. What I can't tell him say?
Why I don't know, you know. But we have to find if we go
find.
Yeah,
we
have to do
find. A woman with name.
Yeah.
Have to find.
Me, Ginger.
And me Platinum, I have to find something to tell the boy. Because I want some of my money. Love about feeling more, but he ain't hold it for money. So we are going to say if he ain't hold it for money, we want the money from him. Oh.
Why I don't mind the boy call?
In the call, man. The boy promises him I call me till the
We want the money, man.
We will want the money
tell
more
him
than
say
you.
no.
Me don't know. Tell him say grandma dead.
Yeah.
I'm going to bury my grandmother. I have to tell him something that I have to work. He can stay there. You better hurry up to you.
No one got Canada bad. See,
what? Yes, I
see la.
Yes. Hello.
Baby.
Hi, what's going on?
What a bombshell.
What? How are you?
Sweet, though.
Yes. So we say you can look for me down. Why? Come on, man. Me have something for you. Something for you. Go work a while. You come? Hurry up, man. All right. See you later. Yeah. All right. Yes. Yeah. All right. Hurry up. Yeah. All right. Yeah. All right. Yes. Bring something for me drink too. All right. Yeah. All right.
What you're not saying?
Don't it? Come. Oh my God.
He finally come.
come.
Must have tell him say no. Where we are going to set up now?
Huh?
We have got to tell him say your granny dead.
Granny dead. Yes. That's
so
how
we
we
go
work.
Money.
My granny will love so much, and my granny used to take care of we. And my granny dead now.
Yeah.
So yeah. All right.
Wait till him come up here.
We wait till him come up here. We're gonna make him pocket burn him.
Man.
Right. That's so.
Wait.
But look how long this boy has said ma come. Look on the time. Ginger.
Yo.
Come here.
Yeah.
Alright, you're more you fi do. More you go to the gate and go look if you see the boy they come.
And look how long he say ma come.
Exactly how long time he say ma come.
Right. So, me no remember, so me no know when looking now. So.
Oh, yeah.
You say when you say.
Saying in tall, yeah, ear pan in face,
Yeah.
and in growing ear. And in
Okay.
skinny.
Alright.
Alright?
I think we figure out.
You figure it out?
Yeah, man.
Alright, let me know when he ma come.
Alright.
Alright.
Platinum. Platinum.
What? What excitement for?
I
What?
think before I come.
What me look?
You stay good, man.
Stay good, you sure?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Yo, me nervous.
You see it, man.
Yeah? Alright. You there? When they? Oh, Friday.
Watching.
When they? What am I do?
What that puppy show?
Me never see what puppy show the money we want. Hi. you're here.
What about the you look nice though.
Yes, thanks. Glad to see you.
Let's spin a roll there.
Of course.
That's so bit true. That's so bit true.
Yes.
You're ready.
Of course.
You're ready.
Of course.
You're ready.
You see you?
That's so bit true.
Yeah, of course you do, yes,
Well,
sir.
baby, when I tell her no lie, money.
Yeah?
I spend every dollar for you. Every
Yes,
nickel,
man.
every dime.
I like that.
You know, watch out. Platinum baby. So what you say?
Yeah, well.
You see I'm sitting for me right there.
Later, man.
Later.
Yes.
And that with you every time you tell me later, and then sitting there. I be a tired time out like goat.
So wrong with that later.
Later.
Yes, will be greater.
Say it, like.
Later.
Then if me I get you late,
I'm not later yet.
sure, me can't bother with you every time that you tell me later.
You're too impatient.
Yesterday I same thing you tell me. The day before yesterday I same thing you tell me.
Later. Trust
Can't
me.
bother you, man.
It's gonna worth it.
Alright.
Yeah. Later. As a matter of fact, may I tell if you carry something for me drink?
Oh, babe. Sure. You know, say, I go down on my bedroom so I try to collect piece of money. Yeah. I boy give me a hard time and I forget to juice here. God knows so for sure.
So you get money?
Yeah, and I will like, but I some might have it. I mean,
Oh.
why I get piece of money too, you know, baby, you know. Yeah.
Later. So what you say? You have something to give me?
Hmm?
You have money to give me?
I mean, baby, man, we have enough money for you.
Alright. Tell you what, me so come. Me so come. I go inside. Me so come. You hear? Me so come.
Alright.
Yeah, me so come.
No joke.
Alright.
That's up with you.
Alright.
Hey. What a bombshell.
Yo, Ginger, me nervous, yo.
What?
Me nervous.
Nervous for?
Me just nervous. Look how the boy look and them something there and say he have money. Look how he dress. And all he want do they touch up my front.
Yeah.
Yes.
What do you mean?
Me no
I want to take the boy there.
Me no know.
Can me see him coming there a puppy show, you know?
It must be Papi Show or Frightened Friday. Me nervous, man. Boy fan them, me nervous.
Look at the sweat.
Jesus, because me
No,
nervous.
sir.
Yes.
Nobody nervous. Just remember, say, to tell him, say, the granny dead and you want some money.
And we want to go to Canada, don't we?
Yes.
Yes, that's true. Alright, me go calm down.
That's it.
Give a bigger joke. The boy tell me saying collect piece of food on the road.
Lord God, that's why you're nervous. Me feel nervous now.
Yes. So you know say we have to get
Ah,
a piece of
Jesus.
food off for the boy. Alright.
Yeah. Tell the boy, say, you don't have no money and you broke like dog and you're hungry.
But me not want him make it look like I say me so
Hello,
hungry belly.
listen to me. Tell him so. If you not tell him so, you won't get the money. You have to tell him something.
Alright, true. Alright, me go listen
I
to
no
you.
making gear no 6 grand and no 7. Them and no money that day.
Righty?
And no money that.
True.
No make boy gear no look on him.
True.
No making gear that.
Saffron like 50 grand and up.
Yes.
Can look on this a body.
Look on your body.
Steve Fisher okra
Him
body.
think of bag juice and bulla you dey eat.
Don't eat. Bulla can maintain this a body. In brighty.
In bright.
Brighty.
No
50
making
grand.
gear no fenke money.
50 grand and up. Bright.
That is it.
Alright.
Platinum. Wait. Ask me if you want of a drink.
True. Yes.
You have to give him some rum.
True, you know.
Yeah.
We have room inside. Alright.
Ask me if you want it first before
Yeah.
you give him. As a matter of fact, nobody ask him if you want a rum. Give him the rum. Here? Alright. So go on.
Alright, I go for the boy.
Now get your things them ready.
Yes.
And set up the place. Go on.
I go for the
Alright. God.
Baby, oh, so this door.
Yeah, you like it? Yes, lock the door.
Nobody not coming.
No, the man now come in.
It's my room there.
My room there? Alright, still right here, so for right now.
And I coach me.
Yes, man, make yourself comfortable.
And I coach.
Yes.
Oh, we are.
Just make yourself comfortable.
What a bombshell.
Yes.
Come in, then come now, baby.
You want something to drink?
So, yeah, you have Magnum? You have Magnum?
No worries, so me start you out.
What a bombshell.
Yes.
Give me back.
Give back?
Yeah.
Alright, so come here.
What a bombshell.
Yeah, so come.
Yeah.
Aye.
Well, we see, man, set that so. Set it so, she bride, you know, so. I have to make sure, say, the foot him fit so. Yeah, set it so. Platinum. Boy.
Jesus Christ, alright. You have a junking today. Of course, I want the money. You see, boy, if you have papi show, you have to get the money out time pocket. Where on there one with? Watching. If you have papi show, though.
I don't think you will get.
I mean, I say, you not get
Don't come over
nothing.
today.
We get the money, and you not get nothing.
Remember.
Alright.
All fat.
I went think say, I went think say, you not get none of this. I went think say,
Try and know that.
you try and know that. So after entering this year, we have to get every cent in a fee in pocket.
Yes.
And if we not give it willingly, we all go pick in pocket.
Yes, ma'am.
Alright, I hope you like it.
Well, baby, how are this?
So yourself, mommy, start you out.
Wait till we're done with it today. You know, I have nothing left. Not even dust go left in your pocket. When we're done with it today. Watch him.
Man, drink up.
Like you charge me up there, baby, man. Tell her.
Alright, that me a talk
I'm going
about.
to walk out it. What a bombshell.
What a bombshell tonight.
So baby, what the fee on there? You're not charge up stuff.
Me drink already, and that's why.
Drink already?
Drink already. Drink up, man. Drink up. Tastes good though.
Wait.
It's called Platinum Special.
Special delivery.
Oh yes. By
So
Platinum
true.
herself.
Baby, this is a chang man.
You trying?
Yeah, man, it's
No
chang
man, it
man.
alright.
You sure?
Yes man, it alright.
No, man,
Yeah man, drink some more man.
Wait. Two chang man.
You not strong.
Taste it.
Eh?
Taste it.
I'm tell us something drink some. This man.
Baby, it's chang for
You
two
know
man.
strong man, me fix it perfectly. You know strong. Me test it and everything. You know strong. So you like it. Just man, just drink up. Just drink. You complain too much man. Drink up now.
Alright, me get enough, man. Me chang up there now.
No man. Drink some more. See cup never off. Come man, drink up the juice man. Drink up. Call me cup never off.
Baby, it's sweet. It hot for sure. Two chang.
You know strong, me fix it perfectly. Drink up it man. What about the money we say you give me? What about the money? What about the money we say you give me?
Money, baby, me have the money for you, man.
So where you there? Where you there? More see it.
No worry yourself, man.
Maybe
Me have
at
enough
least
money
see.
for you.
You have enough money for me?
Baby, me no want no more.
No man, drink up man. Me fix it properly for you. So what you say about the money? You not give me right now?
Me no want no more, man.
You don't want no more. So what about the money?
Baby, me have the money for you.
You have the
man.
money?
Yeah, we are worried about money.
Alright, tell her what.
Come now.
Alright, tell her what. Let me go use the bathroom. No man, let me go use the bathroom. More, you know me, I feel fresh up and everything. For me, yes, make it nice. Yes man, me so come. Me so come. Let me just go fresh up and come up. I got the bathroom. Yeah man, me so come man.
Alright.
Alright.
Up there.
Yes. Now go fresh up. Fresh up.
Fresh up.
Alright?
Oh, what a bombshell. By the hook or the cook. Hey. No man, this is too chang, man. No man, this is a changa, man. But boy, I'm drunk, but I'm not fool. Me a drink and you not drink. No, sir. What a bombshell. We can show it what you see. Platinum, baby.
Ginger, me don't know what else we do.
Calm down.
You mean calm down? Me tell her calm down now.
How I know?
The man, I know me not get the money. He my request buff, and he not drink the drink.
So what do him? So what make you know want drinky?
Me
Too
not
strong?
He say too strong. So me tell her do. He say
Why?
too strong.
What
So
you
what me
finna
fi do?
You know what I forgot to do?
Yeah.
You have to give him a little chops.
All right. After that, what?
Why? Alright, tell you what now. You tell him say I don't feel good.
That can't work.
Yeah. You like a rum where you drink earlier. You don't feel so
Me
good.
not feel good. That's true.
And
you
you're
know,
stressed
true,
out.
True. Yeah.
And thing. But guess what? You say man, then I like to feel no way.
Yeah.
So guess what? Nice him up. Sweet him up, you know.
Yeah.
And kiss him up and you know,
You
play
can
with
do
the
that.
ear and
Yeah.
touch him up. Them man love them sitting there.
Yes, that's true.
And we give money. And he went done. Tell us him go get it. So
Yeah, can't tell me saying colic and he tell me now give me for true. Yes.
yeah.
Yes. So,
So-
want the money.
So tell him say you're sick and the time ago. So you have to move fast.
True,
Because we want the money. We
for
want to
true,
get rid of him, you know, in there too long in our house.
Achu, come to think coffee. Yes. Alright. So I'll go back out the twin right now.
Alright.
I'm going to do all the way you tell me if you do.
Yeah.
And make sure it work.
Yeah.
Alright, come on, so we
Alright.
want the money.
Alright.
Oh, you drink coffee drinks, man. Like you're well charged up.
What a bombshell.
So where say I go on now?
Baby, I'm ready, man. You ready?
You ready now?
Baby, ready, man.
Right now? Really?
Right now, baby. So come now, baby, I could go in our first round.
Right now?
6 rounds, we are getting a 6.
Right now?
So what a bombshell.
Ow, ow.
One to you.
Ooh, me no know.
One to you.
Me take 3 shots of rum before you come because me want charge up. Me no never eat.
Rum, no man, rum no do nothing, man.
Well,
Rum,
probably-
she shot a normal pre, man.
Probably not that, man. Me just stress out.
Stress out?
Yes, man.
Then, baby, I was stress you out.
Me have bills. Me have my mother pressure me for money. Right now, me just think say me get one big money right now. It just have all of my problem. Me think me just feel much better. Ouch, no sir. Me not like how my belly feel. Yo, me da really want to give you some, you know.
You want to give
Yes, ma'am, I don't really want to give some of the buff.
Yeah.
But my
Mom
belly
too.
not feel good, man.
the belly.
It not go nice.
So you want Panadol?
No.
You want Angel's good.
No,
Me
man.
buy Angel's.
I remember saying me have the bills them. Me have the bills. So if you give me the angels, it's not gonna solve the bills problem. Yes, man. I mean, mother every minute she just keep on the call me phone. She just a call me phone, so I just want money for this, for that. One night time she has her foot all broke. Me can't bother, me just stress out here, man. Eh? What you say?
Babe, calm down, baby.
Of course me calm down.
Calm down, baby.
Me calm down.
You know what's this? Money.
Yeah, me can smell
This
it.
is money.
So,
Smell it.
so,
Smell it.
so,
That's yours, baby.
So how much money this?
$35,000.
$35,000.
Good.
Why,
You can
man?
check though, baby.
Yeah, me know, boy. I mean the lean towards 50, no.
50.
Yeah,
No,
man.
listen, man, I line up sitting for you, baby.
Yeah, when?
So you say.
Platinum,
Yes.
you hungry no? Where money there? I want to buy something for cook, man.
Skinny. This is my sister
Hello,
Ginger.
Hi.
Ginger,
Nice
this
to
is
meet you.
Skinny.
Ginger.
Yes.
I'm pine. I'm joking.
Where money there? Me hungry no, man.
Where go cook?
Me don't know. What no want to eat?
Where you want to
steamed
eat?
Fish. Fish. Curry goat.
Curry goat? Alright, so
Right.
curry goat I do it.
So where money there?
Me don't really have no money, you know.
So, you hungry no, man?
Yeah, you just give money.
Some money I feel something else. What make you behave like you're a broke man, so?
What you just say?
Broke man.
How are they bunk? Babe, how you talk about?
Alright.
Money.
Yes.
Can't shout the money, babe, man. How you talk about money? How you talk about me? Can't shout the money, man. Hold on, give me. Babe,
Where want? Curry chicken?
yeah, that's too much, man.
Curry chicken?
No, we can't,
white
we
rice?
can't use it for something else too.
Eh?
So you broke?
This
Bro,
good,
no,
man.
me not broke.
Oh.
What you talk about broke? I don't bring them things there to me, man. I kind of only broke my broke,
No,
man.
sir.
Hey,
This good, man.
No, joke.
Bum. Ooh.
How are you?
One to you.
No, my belly man. Woo.
Yeah.
No, man.
You alright?
Yeah, mommy, I got bathroom. Me so come.
What do you?
She has to sit more rum, like she has drink rum.
Oh, you wanna drink one whole heap of rum for you? I good as it, man. Very cool. So skilly. Anyways, you know something like you?
You like me? So I want to make you like me.
Don't worry about that. Me know what make me like
You
you.
know, make you like me.
Mm-hmm.
Help me like it. But me and sister, they can't.
Don't worry about that, man. Don't worry about that. It's what we like you.
They said we keep it as a secret. Nobody never know. Oh, you look nice. I like your nails. And when I look cheap though, I could have.
That's why me want the money for do it, you know. I want the money for do it.
Oh,
They're
yeah.
my cheap one, you know.
No, when you say when Ginger, I'll be fine for you.
Well, on there, me go check for my sister and see if you're alright. Here?
Alright, you say I come back.
Yeah, man, me I come back.
Alright. Whoa, what a bombshell. 2 in 1. No, sir. I must be lucky today. Boy, that's why they say you must have patience and wait. You see it? All me there for you just wait. 2 in 1 day. Hey, all the boy touch them, I forgot to tell them about this. All the boy bull, I can't talk about him, my galaxy. What a bombshell. 2. And say, yes, make waste. Patient man drink milk. Well, I'm going to drink some milk today. Backside. Yo, Peter, my bro, come on, man. 20,000 is a little bit of money. 20,000 US, come on, man. That's little, man. Last week you sent me 25. This week you wanna send me 20,000 US. You know, 20,000 US is a little bit of money for me, man. Come on, man. We business partner, you know. We know the thing go. Especially here in Jamaica, it's hard time and COVID and all of that. You know, come on, man. Oh. 22, alright, 22,000 US is good, but make sure next week you send me 30,000 US, alright, bro? Yes, come on, man, yeah. Mom is good, man, mom is doing well. Yeah, me and mom good, man, yeah. Mom is going to England next week, you know, yeah, she's going on some business project, you know how the thing already. Mom is wealthy and all of that, which, you know, yeah, she said, hey, bro, mom tell me that she's gonna sign over the $1 million account that she have, the US one, not the local one, man. $1 million Jamaican is little, man. Yeah, bro, come on, man. Yeah. Rich kid. We rich kid, bro. Yeah, man. Hey, bro, when you come to Jamaica, you know, bro, me and you and stuff like that, bro, I have a girlfriend. I want you to meet her. Her name is Platinum. Yeah. And I think I might end up with 2 girlfriends, man. Yeah. Her sister, she likes me, bro. Yeah, bro. Come on, man. You know the thing, though. Hey, King Salaman. Hey. What a bombshell, my bro. Yeah, bro. So I'll talk to you soon, alright, bro? Yeah, no problem, man. I'll talk to you, man. Yeah, bro. Keep the business going, okay? Keep the business flowing. Yeah, you know the thing, though, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. Yeah, I'll talk to you soon, bro. Yeah, man. Respect, bro. So you doing? Yeah, I was just dealing with some business, you know. So how's your sister doing?
She don't feel so good, man. She says she can't go. She don't feel so good.
She going to stay in the bathroom?
No, man. He still a throw up and things. So
Watch you know. Since she in the bathroom, we could have performed a quickie.
No, me can't do that. We like, remember say tour we like you know, so I would have that.
So you don't want she know?
No.
Oh,
yes,
yes,
don't want us do it, so yeah.
So, check the later, man. Give me a number.
5299
5299
227
2276. Alright. Alright. No joke, man.
Yeah, so you can't go stay, no, so you have to go leave and thing.
Oh, she not feel so well.
Yeah, so you have to go come back tomorrow.
So you're not leaving later?
Yeah, man, me call.
Man, you have to link me later, man, so me can, you know.
Yeah.
Nice and sexy, too. No jokes of a joke.
I know, remember your shirt?
So he said, sure, we can do one quickie, man.
No, man.
2 minutes, man.
Remember saying sick, me can't do. Me have to tend to you. Me have to go back in the bathroom.
Gone fast, man.
No, man.
You sure?
Tomorrow.
No joke, man.
Tomorrow. Come let me walk you out. Come.
Hey!
Come.
Hey! What about Michelle? Hey! You sure? You can't pass, man. You know? You sure you know how we was that quick?
Calm down. You don't have me number already, my youth.
Where's the later?
Yes.
What about Michelle?
Yeah, man. Go on. Call me.
I will call you.
Yes.
What about Michelle?
Yeah. What a puppy show. Oh, where you come from? Where you come from? Me never see somebody some from a band. You fool? Puppy show. Platinum! Come here. Gone. Come.
So what now?
Old puppy show.
Yeah?
Where you getting from?
Remember saying no business my papi show, me just want him
But
money.
he like me.
Yeah?
And he want bus quickie.
What's that?
He asked me number, so I give him it.
That's good. Cause remember we plan what we have.
Then tell him if he come back, must see tomorrow.
Tomorrow? That don't sound bad.
Yeah.
So when he said about the $20,000, you believe him?
Of course.
Alright.
You know, see a puppy show. Look point, my idiot, you know.
I true. If he saying go give me all money for sure.
Hey boy, give me all my money.
How much money you have?
Let me see.
Alright, give me. Let me put it with this.
Yes. And we went to plan up for go. So we are gonna make up that.
Okay.
And when they give you next money,
We put it on it too.
Yes.
Alright. So
Yeah.
make it go and just go put it up with the rest of the money.
Yeah.
And count it in the meanwhile.
Yeah.
So what you said? Tomorrow boy they come.
Yes, he might come tomorrow.
Alright. So Canada.
Here we come.
Man, them fully up a be a copper.
Brother, boss man for boss long time, you know, man, they are
One
going
girl, two girls, me one.
Bob,
Touch man,
inside.
What about Michelle?
I know, right?
What about
Michelle? Yo,
Bye-bye.
I want to bad mind, man.
Yo, you just said, man, this
What
man
about
take all that money, spend on the girl, man, thing,
I
man.
know for your business,
No bother with that,
No
brother.
bother with that,
Oh,
brother.
never see me. Me not give my money, brother.
No, we don't listen to
Yeah,
that. Easy
me,
yourself,
tell
man.
you,
Skinny,
the last
original
time I did-
bombshell.
The last time, me
No
dey
joke.
on one liquors. and a little cat call me. And you see when I come so. Big old fat guy so. He boy a giggle.
And I regular.
Oh you mean?
Me skinny.
Wait there.
Skinny, you get
Wait
catch.
there.
Me
Skinny.
skinny.
Wait there.
Skinny.
And I regular me
Skinny
answer
get
for your jag and
Me
brother.
skinny.
Oh you mean?
I
Boy,
said
get
that
catch.
jack, brother. Me
Brother,
tell this,
plastic,
man, go
so
up
my
on the
love
ends,
the
look
pan,
wild,
brother.
brother. Me tell this, me go
Yeah,
up on the
tell where
ends,
you go
look
up on the
wild,
ends
brother.
go down.
And me I tell you, say,
Give me a right.
a girl did it so for you, brother. And I two
So
man
yo,
have
you
one
don't give no
one
money?
time money. Me give him piece of money, man. But I
You
want
see
little
what me
piece
I
of
tell you,
money.
say?
Brother, I saw me under it so for you and stay so. As
Eh?
me chop one so for you, me just go say in the next room and say, chop it next one so for you.
Man, lie about man. Where
Yo,
lie
What
this a man,
about
this a
you?
man, this a
Brother,
man.
is you chop 2 girl?
Oh, you mean? Like two one time. Brother. Oh, yeah, them all look so. You're fresh.
Brother, you know, mommy I
Yo,
look so.
let me tell
You chop 2 girl
Mommy
like
I look
So
so.
I can them
We will know how me
a
I
style
look so.
me use, brother.
You know no style, man.
Who know style? Me full of style and pattern,
So you have
brother.
2 girl
What a
and you
bombshell.
say ease yourself,
Yo.
man,
Me tell
boring.
you, say that, see, ends me just come off, brother. Me tell you, say, I just $2,000 me give them so much and promise them so much and sit there, you know.
God.
Yeah,
Judge, you know.
I want him to know.
Brother, want him to me, brother, want him to you, brother.
I want him to me.
Brother, want him to yes, mommy, man. And that fit, yes, man. Yes, man.
Give me a chance
Yes,
to show
man.
mommy.
Mommy,
Give me a
mommy,
chance to
Talk to this blooming boy.
Give me a chance to mommy.
mommy, give him a chance, mommy. Give him a chance, mommy.
Hold on money.
No, don't think it. No, mommy, give him a chance.
Give me a money, man.
Yeah man.
In front of my friend, them,
So
man.
mommy still a need.
I'm
Skinny, you're good, you're good.
Hold on money.
Skinny, you still a get the. You feel respect to mommy too, man.
I'm there with my friend, them, mommy.
Boy.
Lick it boy.
Mommy, see back here, mommy.
Lick it.
See, no, I joke here.
So what? You know what?
Mommy, give him a chance, mom. Mommy, give him a chance. Give him a chance.
Boy, you take the whole lot of money to eat girl them.
But
You're in farm, my brother. You're in farm, my brother.
Listen, mommy don't do everything long time.
Actually.
Where money there? Where money? Where money? So where money? Where money?
I like them and tell
Don't show me money.
They see you in the booyah
Where
them.
the God shop where money?
Plastic, so man, boy.
no money. I like them and tell family.
See back here, mommy. Lick him in the face. Kind of. I choose give mommy making lick
I
in
like
the
them and
face.
tell family.
Lick it boy.
What do me here with the mouth? Nobody no tell no lie for me.
This man, me beg you one dragon.
Yeah.
I'm not sure one dragon.
One up.
Bad.
Come me go
One up.
See
Right,
back.
it's right up on the hill, right up on the hill.
See back wheel up, mommy. Give him one more on the same spot.
Where the wine say? Where the
Them
wine
a
bowl?
follow me up on me.
How where you drink make the wine? What kind of wine is that?
One
You
up.
them can't wine. What's some people wine?
Be a bad man.
Boy, take the whole lot of money
Nobody know where the wine is. I mean, never say you can't wine. You can't wine like that.
Straight up boy.
A skinny, I him near skinny bank.
Be a scammer.
Think I next skinny
No
bank.
scam, no woman. I lie them and tell family.
What tell you, man?
Which one are we at the life?
Yeah,
No, we are sorry.
In front of me.
Time nonsense, mommy. Get sorry up in
You
here.
can't lick me back.
Mommy, I look up boy,
No,
mommy.
lick me back,
Look
lick me
how
back,
you
lick me
did me
back,
like
lick
me.
me back.
Me, I look up
I lick
boy.
up, lick me back.
Man, carry him up.
See, you know no belt.
Hey
Give
boy,
Hey, boy, carry
him
him
mommy
back.
belt. Make it box
Hey,
in
carry him back,
my face.
mommy.
Which woman
Man,
you
like a bad man. That boy like a bad man. Go on up.
Two girls now one day.
boy.
Can I help
Boy,
your
take the whole
friend?
lot of
Can I help
money
your
and tell
friend?
you woman. Wicked boy.
Mama don't
I come up and sing big song.
Mommy, just
big man now, you know, look up.
give me a chance, now, mommy. Give me a chance. I say, although I'm begging me beer, you know, give me a chance, now, mommy.
Go on up. Boy.
Chat to the boy and the boy now here. The boy did this.
This you, but bless you must take. Give me one more on the spot where you just give my take up one stone and bust up
and
your
give
face.
me a gonna go, mommy.
Bad bless you must take you.
Yo, so me I show
Boy,
no
a
say.
joke,
Them
lad.
boy, they are
Yeah,
clown,
boy,
brother.
they are clown, bro. Plastic.
Man, come show me the girl. Come show me the girl. Come show me the girl.
Yes, man. Yes, boy, had 2 dollars pussy. Yes, boy, I'm back to my man. Yeah, man. Kick him. What was it?
Me a big man, me a big man, I lit me something to her.
I feel him.
Can't bother, I know.
I make me one beat you. Where you looking for?
Me can't bother, I
You
know.
come out here looking for?
Yo.
Are you walking on gas stand? So where you looking for? I feel him.
Me a grandfather, I know, because me can't.
Can you go show me the girl then?
Man, which girl at that
See
one?
them girl where you wind up and down there so. I want to see them. Come on, have a talk with them.
Man, I hope the road then live, mommy.
So we can go up the road.
Tomorrow.
Adam! One ball, yeah?
No.
Let me get it for ball.
No, man.
You want to get on for ball? Look at ear. Ear.
Mommy, I'll be road.
Alright, come on. Big man.
Can't bother with your chicken.
So we want to cook then?
Want something different.
Like what, pork?
No, like shrimp or something.
Alright, that sound good. You know, some Murty when saying go put more for dinner. But you know him and feel man tan. Sure. Every day kick off. Can't bother ya, man.
No boy that day. No boy that day.
Come on, man. Come show me the girl them. Come show me them, man. Come show me the girl them. Come show me them.
Big man like coming.
Oh, you mean big man like coming? I tell you, say big man a bullfrog. How much time?
Man, slim.
Are them that?
Yeah.
Then two pretty girl eh?
Yes, mommy.
So, why, oh, you mean you want to scam them?
Me not scam nobody, mommy.
Oh, you mean you not scam nobody? But I that me hear around they tell them, are them two girl here? Eh, miss, you know him?
Yeah, we know it.
Where you know him from?
You run our yard.
The door. Oh, you mean? You don't know mouth?
You don't know him now, Uma.
So, funny face good. Why you telling us say? But why you telling us say look on your face? Hey! What? We say why you telling us say? Like what? Like what? He may run on the yard. Why run on the yard? We don't know we just start. So why you go now?
He not giving up.
Why you go now? What? You not going to have money? No. So when do the money want me give? Me don't know. Where you do the money?
Mommy, last. Mommy, money last.
Last way.
Me have the money.
You see a blinking face here when dog and color mix up together. How can I feel? Look here, where my money?
Mommy, a big man now.
Big man way. Oh, you mean you're a big man?
I'm a big man, man.
Come to the egg, the way egg money we sell today.
I wish egg money at
The egg them.
You love ransom, mommy.
Me not ramp.
Stop him, mommy.
Me why? Me not.
Give him one moment.
Mommy. Hold on, mommy. Me talk to you. Me reason where they're looking at man.
Talk to me, man. Come, where me egg money? Where me egg money?
Right then.
Where me egg money?
Stop him,
Mommy,
How you sign to?
Mom, me make look investment camp. Mom, what's the one?
Why you too lie? Lie. What kind of investment? What kind of investment?
Man, you know, like, you look-
Investment way. Investment way. What kind of investment? Where me egg money?
Man.
And I first did it.
Mommy, I love ransom.
Ramp way. Me look like me ramp.
Mommy,
not beat him
mommy.
up, man.
Yeah, I do. Me feel sorry for him.
Don't beat him.
Mommy, hold on, me explain to you,
Explain.
mommy.
I want a good
Mommy,
friend.
Hold on, Miss Ponce. You know some finance slippers are down here, so.
I'm going to feel slippers up the road.
Mommy, hold on, mommy.
Leave it, man.
Me don't know, me just feel sorry for him.
Hold on, Miss Ponce. Hold on. You hear what my office say? Give him a chance, man.
Yeah,
Put
give
your
him a
slippers
chance,
skinny,
man. He may always nice to it.
Nice to know.
Mommy, hold on,
You know him? Look at that face.
hold on, mommy.
Miss Ponce.
I'm one of the biggest criminal.
Miss Ponce.
You not allow me in the house.
Me see when you might give girl the
You
money.
left him alone in the house.
Which money? You see him giving no money?
Oh, you mean?
You
Me
see him
see.
giving no money?
Me the
First of
right
all,
through
you
the
know
fence
we.
and see. Oh,
First
you
of all, you
mean?
know we.
Oh, you mean?
We don't get no money, yeah. We don't get no money.
You sure you not get no money?
No, we don't get no money. See, we don't get no money. We
So
don't
good
get no
girl
money.
that trying to make this a come on the yard and not go no nothing.
Where's he
So
say?
what list then?
No, where's he say? My
Oh, no,
papi
my
sure. How we
I'm
run
for
him?
Pitney call Papi Show.
Man, hold on, mommy. Man, hold on.
Where can we Pitney Papi Show for? And me one must call him Papi
Listen,
Show.
man.
See, those time me I tell you to
But
come
let's share
on.
Papi show too.
What happened? Where me money? Where me egg money?
Mommy, just relax, look on mommy.
Alright.
Make a reason, mommy. Make your reason, mommy. Yeah, mommy, take a deep.
Come out the road, yeah.
Miss Ponce, watch your car come. Let me take out a slippers from here. Come to driver.
Big this.
Who him?
Out of Tinkal.
Which virgin dog?
You know him?
You know that? One. Third one.
OJ, hold on, OJ.
One.
He must stop.
So you egg money you take away from him, so what? So
OJ! OJ!
The boy, Herman.
Thief your money, thief your egg money. Me send him to the
When?
yesterday.
How much money?
About 5 grand he's supposed to give me. Yes.
Oh, okay.
The money I have to buy the phone feed
You see
them.
that one and a pink. 2 days past straight, Mr. Skinny, I can money go give.
I lie, man, tell me.
A lie.
They ever want
Yo,
to follow me up and say,
OJ.
bad company, man. Me no
You
bad.
just had yabba, so.
Not to listen.
Me and the man a friend, I lie, man.
Give me.
Man, I lie, man.
OJ, if you hear when me and you did that pass and you go on the corner round to, who you say she a give the money?
I don't know, this looks so different.
Man, I lie, them and tell, man.
A lie.
Are you me that take money?
No, miss, and not me.
Are you?
No. No. One is brown girl live round the road. Maybe I see them
You.
attack.
Where next brown girl?
I lie, them and tell, man.
Where next brown girl?
Man, just hold on, man.
Where next brown
Just
girl?
try the next brown girl.
Hey.
Just try the next brown girl.
Which uncle? When you get uncle? Are your father, brother?
Uncle, I go. Hold on, man.
Take that
man,
money.
that's
Uncle.
all
He don't know you.
Man, just hold on. Me a reason.
Reason? Tell me about me egg money. The fall them in I come no get no feeding and a them
Boy,
they wait
boy.
man. Where me egg money?
Lick the boy, Miss Muncie. Miss Muncie, lick the boy.
Hold on, make a reason.
Alright, we are listening. Come, we don't get no money.
Remember say your son a good boy, so for Joe.
Hey! Hey! My God strike you.
Miss Muncie, if you be a lie, me I tell. Me sing gig girl them song. Canada money, one time he come show me.
Where you Canada money? Your father send money come here and I quiet.
He not send me no money, mommy. You know
Your father send me money come
boy,
here and I
boy.
quiet.
Mommy, you know me.
Yo, you're wicked. Yo, boy, you're wicked.
Tell lie now. I'm try tell lie for your mommy.
He say he send me money.
I lie, man.
So when you get Canada money?
Me not get no Canada
Lick
money.
your boy.
Hey, come.
Lick your boy, Miss Muncie. Lick your boy.
No.
That's all I go on.
Lick your boy, Miss Muncie.
Man, me call daddy yesterday at Canada. Me get some credit and me call him. Me say, daddy, you know say he fall in one feeding and stuff which you want sitting. You know he tell me say he send your money stuff which you want sitting. I'm tell
You
lie
talk
for
to your father?
Yeah, I'm tell lie for
You have your number for your father?
Yeah, me could
So you
call
don't tell
him.
me that?
No,
No, you don't tell me that.
Mommy, yesterday me get it.
Oh, you say lie,
Me
boy.
not tell no lie, mommy.
Just
You
your
know
face.
say me
Yeah,
not
yeah,
tell-
yeah.
Miss Muncie say brown girl I walk away with the money there.
Mommy, I go
Which brown girl?
clean out the fall cook.
Miss Muncie see girl I go with the money
Look
when
here.
Go clean out the
If you don't find me money, give me a sleep now. You go sleep with the phone.
Me a clean out the
Man
fall.
say
Go
cheeky.
sleep phone, man.
Cheeky, man.
Make them yam you.
Man.
Because they don't get no feeding and they must yam you tonight.
Man,
They
no.
must yam you. That's all me have to say. Me no want you nothing.
Me a go-
Fry
me a
you.
go-
Girl
me a go-
clown.
Nothing me no want you from
Yeah,
you. What list?
Set up close.
What list, boy?
Harry, puppy show for you, you know. Harry, puppy show, yes.
Watch me on the look in farmer boy. That's how they can't get no girl around no boy. See no boy.
Girl clown.
Just wait, yeah. Just wait, yeah. That's how they can't get no woman around no style. Look at you, them stuff for sure. I want to come on me yard and see, yeah. But I want to put poison on the food. Watch me, I'm going to come on me about no one food. Go in the farmer boy. First boy, let me see food. Hey,
Girl
food.
clown. Girl clown. Take all of your money spent on girl.
Where was your food for? Where was your food for?
She do dirty up, man. You know I'm going like house and dirty up.
Like so. The fallen feed already?
No, go feed them.
When? Where feed you feed them?
No feed none of them, man.
Then the money want me to tell you to go sell the egg to buy the feed.
Mommy,
and
me I tell you, say last money last, mommy.
So what the fallen supposed to do? But they don't feed from man, you know, you wait from man, me see up a girl here the wine.
Me no put, man, me I tell you, say me no put.
No, but it's time to reason say you know, can no feed and come to the fallen and the poor fallen like put from man in the feed.
Man, me I tell you, say money last, money. You just
Hello, put on the water. Put on, I buy the water, nobody don't know.
Man, I have one partner job, forget it.
What partner job? Where get money to your partner?
I look outside work, come do more while, man.
Side work?
Yeah, mommy.
So much them pay you? Much them pay you?
10,000 a partner job, me actually.
So all the day me have to say where money, where they get, you say you don't get no money.
Oh, that the time me didn't get none. Brother down there, mommy, I be work people down there and I don't pay them, you know.
So me raise as an idiot to work and I don't pay you and you know see your grandmother here.
I don't want to go bar them and cause no trouble, mommy.
But so if you eat, me can go to Mr. Chingo to see your work and I don't pay you and the phone them and this, and the little egg now sell more so.
Tomorrow, I last
What do you mean you talk about tomorrow? So where they go, me say?
Mom, I want to sleep, mom.
And if I could be there go tonight, come and tell us if you don't get no
Mommy, me can't sleep in a fall.
Alright, so all the phone I'm supposed to eat.
Mommy, can't. Tomorrow.
Where they go?
Mommy,
okay, come.
Mommy, wait.
Come and talk to the phone and tell them why.
Which phone, mommy?
Come talk to the phone and tell them why they don't get no feed.
Which phone me I go talk to?
The phone
me can't sleep in a fall.
Me no business at the phone and you have to go talk to. If you don't get no feed, then I'll leave. You have to give it to. You have the one son. And look how you the cheat. Look how you the Ghana. Big man you do. What is the state of a big man? What does it require to be a... That? Then jenga in your face? And that makes us think you're a big man. None of your arm and your front you think you're a big man. Eh? Easy what? Me say the fall them round the from man, you know, if they don't want to go there at 25 grand we pay for the fall them, you know.
25, tomorrow I get 30.
No, you're going to run it tonight with the fall them. Not inside.
We are
not inside here.
Man, me not go.
Inside not.
Man, me not. Sure.
Sure.
Every time you want to put me in a phone, cook me, man.
Come go in a folko, man. Out of order. Go to order. Go and go sleep in a folko. You don't feed the fall them and make sure say you don't push out the fall them off of the rules. And the traumatize the fall them neither. What mean what kind of slackness? What kind of slackness you're sleeping at the folko with the fall them? Then you will know how you learn lesson and you also make sure so the fall them get feed in the daytime. You took out of order. You do that so bad.
Somebody That be nice to man. You come like kind of thing, but not to no fool on this stuff with you. Yeah, shit for me, I say. Hello? Ginger baby. Go on, baby. Yeah, go on with it. No, go on, man. I saw my mother and prof more while, man. You know, I saw, you know, true, she senile. You know, she alright, man. You know, follow up, man, and sit, man. You know, oh, mother turn and, oh, come on. That's nothing. You know, yeah, me there, you know, my bed I go and lie down, go on, you know, just don't eat dinner. Fish mother cook for me, you know. and carrot juice. What a bombshell. Yeah, I tell them there. And sitting so with you. I miss you already, you know. Yeah. Which money? That the money they good. By tomorrow me get that the money there, man. Quick and fast, man, you know. I couldn't tell my mother then sitting there because my mother sometimes, you know, she don't really understand and they look at things, you know, so, you don't pay my mother no mind, man, you know, yeah, she good, man, yeah, so may I see you tomorrow, baby?
Yeah, man, I can't see me.
Me can't, baby, me there think about you, so for true. Yeah, baby, I want to give you a couple kisses, so for true, you know. Me lock down for you all day, sister, they home tomorrow. Your sister dey home tomorrow?
Yeah, man.
She dey home backside. So how it work? Oh, you know, could have put her to sleep, you know. Yeah, me a gone now and next room so with you. Oh, what a bombshell. Yeah. But right now, I'm tired and want to sleep, man. Because I tell her all day. So it was a long day, you know.
Yeah, it's a long day.
Yeah. 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 You're nice, you know, baby, you know. You're nice, man. So, me see you tomorrow?
Yeah, man. Expect me tomorrow, man.
Alright.
So they want me tomorrow enough. Sorry.
Alright, baby. No say 40, hear me, I see you. See you tomorrow. Alright. Say, you know, give me some kiss, though.
No, sir. When I see you tomorrow, I get kissed.
Tomorrow, alright. The real one, them. That's better. Alright, tomorrow, baby. Sleep well here. Come there, I'm gonna wrap up under my sheet. You know.
You sleep well, too.
Alright, baby. Alright. Tomorrow. Alright. Yo, no, you know, say when you're too loud, it's easy, man. Sure. Alright, I'm gonna call baby Platinum, man. No. Yes. When you think when you can't talk the show. My show, me I start. Candidate. Hello?
Hi, baby.
Hey, baby, how you doing?
I'm doing good.
Yeah, you sound happy tonight. Good to hear from you, baby, you know.
I know. I was worried about you. Okay?
About what? Worry about what?
You and your mom.
No, man, no watch my mother, man. I saw my mother and prof, man. Sometimes she senile, I know. So I saw she behave sometime, man. No watch no face, man. Sure. That's nothing. Yeah, that's nothing. Right now, I just there finish eat, you know, curry goat and pine juice.
Oh, yeah? And she cooking you?
Yeah, I saw she, I tell you, I saw she stay right now in bed, me there wrap up and go sleep and thing, you know, tired out. Yeah.
So what in the mean about go like a phone?
No, sir. No, yeah, you're the best, man.
You sure? Yeah, man, me hear the phone, man. You sure?
Yeah, baby, no, man, you know, fall, man. I must say outside in there. Can I fall in? Yeah, I must say outside, man.
Okay, maybe something wrong with me ears. Because I know me a earphone, but...
Babe, come on, man. Come on, I'm in a bedroom with them, man. Which fall? Don't worry about fall. Fall, alright. Fall outside, now then cook, alright. Me not too long go feed them and stuff. Give them feeding. And so, you know, say I have 4 bags of feeding in a cup stuff with you. And your mother talk about food. And so she stay. You have to just get used to her. And so she stay, man. No, son, no embarrassment. That good, man. She alright. She not... You will get to know her. One of them day, I care come and meet her officially.
Yeah,
What a bombshell.
What about me and you?
Yeah, baby, may I get married, you know, baby? What you talk about?
Yeah?
Yeah, may I get married?
Wow,
Yeah.
when that?
Yeah, soon.
Soon?
Yeah, next month, arrange a wedding and stuff. But now you come meet mother officially. Can you see how she turn? That's how she behave and go on.
Okay,
Yeah, she alright.
So when me I see you?
Tomorrow, baby. Tomorrow. Yes.
Alright, that
Yes.
sounds good.
Yes, you
Yes,
feel
man.
better, baby?
Yes.
You feel
What about
better?
the money? What about the money we need to get?
Which money that, baby?
You need to get one next money.
Oh, yeah. I forget. What a treat for my mother. What a bombshell. I forget.
Man, me I hear the phone, man. Me I hear
Babe,
the phone
stop.
with you, man.
No fall outside the fall them there, but through my window then near. Well, I'm lucky window. Oh, like sitting the window. Babe, sitting the window. Me I try lock it and it not lock. It not
Get
lock.
it fixed, man. Get it fixed. Because phone is really low.
Yeah, tomorrow me I go deal with that, baby. You know. Tomorrow me deal with that. I have plenty money. Tomorrow me just pay somebody to fix it.
That's so good. So you say me I pay tomorrow?
Tomorrow, no problem.
I carry money tomorrow.
So fit true.
Yes?
Oh, what a bombshell.
Alright. Can't wait to see you. Can't wait.
You rate it. You rate it. You rate it. Alright, baby. Now go sleep now. Yes, baby. I'ma hug up my pillow and think, boy.
Alright, I'm going to do the same too.
Okay. Yes.
Alright.
See you tomorrow, baby. Okay, baby.
Alright,
See you
bye.
tomorrow. She thinks she's smart. Maybe what tell her say, yeah, get money. Oh, sure. She alright. Come on, try play me. Play me. Official skinny. What about Michelle?